Energon.
Is that Pioneer freshener? Oh, mine makes me.
He's gonna I'm sure no one noticed that giant blue explosion, right?